Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to delete a broadcast list on WhatsApp. Whether you're tidying up your chats or simply no longer need a specific broadcast list, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to launch WhatsApp. Once inside, navigate to the Chats tab. This is where all your conversations and broadcast lists are stored. Scroll through the list until you find the broadcast list you want to delete. Now, long press on the broadcast list you wish to remove. Pressing and holding will select the list, and you'll notice additional options appearing at the top of your screen. Next, tap the trash icon located at the top of your screen. This icon represents the delete function in WhatsApp. Finally, confirm your action by tapping Delete in the pop-up menu. Once confirmed, the broadcast list will be permanently removed from your chats. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a broadcast list on WhatsApp. This simple process helps keep your chat space organized and clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.